Finally uNomalanga usebanjiwe ukuthi uqamba amanga ngokukhulelwa kwakhe. Will she tell uKwenzo about the whole situation or not? Umuntu ombambile ke uNomfundo ebekuthiwa vele akamgade ukuzenze sure ukuthi akaphuza utshwala ngoba nakho ekhulelwe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini's from the 3rd to the 5th of June 2024 on Monday. Vusi convinces Balkul to start the production line, but he doesn't know the risk he is taking. Nomalanga soon learns that staying with Kwenzo will not be a walk in the park on Tuesday. Vusi is backed into a corner to reveal the name of the secret designer. Kwenzo finds himself in a difficult position when Sokhabase demands to know his true intention. Udeliwe begs Vuma for love on Wednesday. Deliwe faces an agony of rejection as Vuma unexpected demand crushes her newfound joy. Nomfundo stumbles upon Nomalanga's elaborate lies. Well guys, that's what I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.